Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can make money using Ebates and Top Cashback. So these are two cashback sites that you can use with your online shopping in order to get cash back on each of your purchases. So basically, as you can see, since I started on Ebates, I have made over $12,000 back just from shopping online. So if I didn't use Ebates, then I wouldn't have got this $12,000. But this is stuff that I was already purchasing. And when you're purchasing stuff, either inventory or purchasing stuff for yourself, you can use Ebates or Top Cashback, and they will give you a certain percentage off your bill. So, for example, let's go to Amazon. So on Amazon, each category gives you a different amount. So, for example, if we were buying something in kitchen and dining category, we would get 3% cash back. So it will give you cash back into this account after 7 days. So as we can see, I have been paid out over $10,000 from Ebates. This is my lifetime cash back, and this is my current balance of $2,000. You get paid out 4 times a year, once every 3 months. And a lot of people are wondering, like, is this site actually legit, and can I actually make money back from using Ebates? Yes, you definitely can, and it is fully legit. You can refer your friends and earn additional money. So I'll put a link in the description below so that you can get money after you make your first purchase on Ebates. A good way to get started and see how you actually can get money. I just accept my payments using PayPal, so they pay me right to my PayPal account, and we can see, so we can go into my cashback balance, and we can see I've been a member since January 10th, 2015. So it's been like 4 years that I've been on this, and I made 12 grand. So you're not going to get rich from this, but it's definitely helpful to get money back when you're already making these purchases. So it's basically like $12,000 that I would have never got, but still inventory that I was going to be purchasing. I got this $12,000 for free just by using eBay. So definitely recommend it. And if you haven't signed up yet, sign up. There's nothing you can lose. It's free to sign up, and you're going to make money regardless, and you're going to get it on each and every purchase that you make. So it's definitely worthwhile. Let's see. So on February 16th of this year, I'm going to get $1,200 back, and then the remaining like 800 that's still in here will go on to the next payment. And they have, like I said, a payment schedule of once every 3 months, and it's 4 times a year. And we can see I've made several purchases on Amazon.ca. These are all from January 30th, and they're giving me cash back each and every time. So let's see my big fat payment history. So we can see these have been all of the payments that I've got from Ebates. So dating back as far as 2015, like I said, when I started, I just got $25. And then my biggest payment was $2,000 back in November of 2015. And then kind of tapered off a bit there. And now it's picking back up again because they've put some good, like 2 times cash back and some good promotions. So I've been using them. I also, like I said, use Top Cash Back. So if you haven't signed up for them, I'll also put a link in the description below where you can get free money when you make your first purchase if you sign up through that link. So definitely a good way to earn additional money. You're not gonna, like I said, you're not gonna get rich. I buy a lot of stuff through Ebates, so it's not like this is from purchasing, like, it's not like I'm getting like 100% cash back or anything like that. It's usually between 2 to 5% cash back. As we can see, like on this eBay purchase, it was 1% on $1,000 purchase. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that this actually does work. Basically, you sign up. I'll put, like I said, I put the link in the description below. You click on that link, you sign up, and then in order to actually purchase something, let's say we want to purchase something from, let's try a new retailer. So there's so many different stores. So let's say we want to purchase something from Macy's Canada. Okay, so we click this, and then we'll go to Macy's, click on this, and it takes us right to Macy's. And at that point, we can make a purchase. And you don't have to do anything else. Once you've made the purchase, within 7 days, that money is going to be credited back into your Ebates account, and you'll get that money within the next 3 months. Like I said, payments every 3 months. So there's nothing to lose, guys. You're going to only make more money by using this. It's definitely worth it. You can go through my old videos. I made several videos on Ebates, and you can check where I was at before. I think in my first video ever, I think my very first video ever on this channel was actually about Ebates, and I think I was around 7,000. Don't quote me on that because I haven't actually checked, but you can see over a short span of time, I've grown to over $12,000 from Ebates. So I would say I'm likely one of the top earners on Ebates. I don't know that for sure, but most likely, most people don't earn this much from Ebates, but it's definitely something that it's a no-brainer if you're buying anything online. So they actually do have in-store cashback as well, which is a cool feature where you can get like 2% cash back if you shop at Bed Bath & Beyond in store, or 4% on Under Armour. And these are just on Ebates.ca. This is Ebates Canada. I'll also put a link in the description below for Ebates.com where you can sign up. And I think you get $25 when you sign up through my link after you make your first purchase. So it's free money, guys. Why not? Give it a try. You're going to like it. It's literally free money. So there's not much else I can say about it. It's really good. You can also buy gift cards through this. So if you're buying, say you're buying a lot from, let's see, where's one? Well, if you're buying a lot of pizza, then you can get 11% cash back. But let's see, look for something that's a little higher. Okay, let's say you're buying a lot of books from Kohl's. You can say you're buying books to resell on Amazon, or even Chapters. And so if you're buying books from either Kohl's or Chapters, you can get this percentage from buying a gift card. So say I want to shop at Chapters. I go shop now, and this will take me to Ebates gift card shop where you can purchase discount gift cards, and it's in conjunction with CardSwap. CardSwap was a company that went onto Dragon's Den and got quite big from buying and selling gift cards. So you can purchase gift cards for 2%, 2.5% cash back from using ebatesgiftcards.ca, and you just have to click through this link. And once you purchase one of these gift cards, so say you buy this, you'll only get $2.50. It's not going to be that much, but it will add up. And the nice thing is you can double this with Ebates cash back. So say we get that 2.5%, and then we want to shop at Chapters Indigo, then we can get another 2%. So now we're at 4.5%. And if you're buying thousands and thousands of dollars worth of stuff, then you can definitely get a lot of cash back. Even if you're not purchasing thousands of dollars of stuff, you can still get significantly more back in cash back than you would if you didn't use them. And if you're already going to be buying this stuff, why not get money back for it? So I hope this video helped you guys. I hope it kind of clarified how Ebates works. And like I said, I mentioned Top Cashback as well. Top Cashback is just as good, and there will also be a link in the description below. What I do is I go and I check Top Cashback's cashback rate and Ebates cashback rate. Whichever one has the higher cashback rate, then that's where I'm going to shop from. And Top Cashback, same thing. If you're going to be buying something from them, you just click the shop now, and it will take you to their website, and you automatically get the cash back within 7 days into your account, and then paid out within 3 months. And you can get it paid out with a physical check or by PayPal. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and hope you can see that it really does work, and that you should definitely give Ebates and Top Cashback a try. Click those links in the description below, sign up, and give it a try, and comment below how much you've earned in cashback and how you like Ebates and Top Cashback. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.